Good morning, everyone. Myself, Anu.M.S. Today, I'm here to present on the topic in hospital pharmacy integration under the guidance of our Dr. Sanjay Pandey MB sir. Next. Here are my teammates. Hope you find it informative and engaging. Let's begin. Agenda, introduction, literature survey, problem statement, objectives, scope of project, hardware and software requirements, methodology, expected outcomes, references. Next. Introduction. In-hospital pharmacy integration focuses on establishing a seamless connection between healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, and pharmacists through a centralized digital platform. The project leverages the modern web technology to support clinical decision making, improve prescription accuracy, and ensure timely medication delivery. By implementing real-time tracking and validation, the system enhances operational efficiency and patient safety within hospitals. This also reduces paperwork, increases transparency, and contributes to better overall healthcare and management. Next. Literature survey. Several recent studies have explored the importance of integrating pharmacy systems into broader healthcare workflow. On 2025, Deng emphasized the strategic role of hospital pharmacy integration in modern healthcare delivery. On 2024, Zoe et al. Demonstrated improvements in efficiency using the Learn 5S and Octagon P framework. On 2025, Salam and Wong focused on global exchange and benefits of involving pharmacists in primary and chronic care, highlighting the need for better policy and system design. These studies collectively underline the significance of real time data exchange, digital workflow, and interdisciplinary collaboration in improving hospital pharmacies. Next. Next. Problem statement. The role of digitization in healthcare for seamless integration. Data source may be error prone by fragmented communication, lack of real time integration in HIS. These challenges needed to be addressed by automated workflow, enable efficient data exchange, enhance coordination, and ensuring timely and safety medication delivery. Next.
Myself, Bhavana, objective to develop a real-time digitization prescription model to design an ethical and scalable platform using web technology such as React.js, Express.js, WebSockets to implement real-time tracking and validation process by using patient medication procedures. The entire process is monitored by in-house authorities such as doctors and nursing station members. Next. Scope of project scalability can be adapted for multi-hospital networks. Cloud-based architectures allows seamless expansion. Technological achievements, potential AI-driven prescription validation, integration with IoT embedded medical dispensers. Implementation feasibility requires hospital IT department collaboration for integration needs, regulatory approval for medical software compliance, financial sustainability, subscription based model for hospitals, potential government and investor funding, environmental and societal impact, reduces paper usage by digitizing prescriptions, enhances patient experience with faster treatment access.
Myself Harsha. Now I am explaining about hardware and software requirement. Software requirement. Front end. React.js. It is an interactive UI. Tailwind CSS. It is a fast and responsive styling. Backend. Express.js. It is a API and logic handling. WebSockets. It is used for a real-time communication. Database. MongoDB. It is a structured data management. Redis. Caching and subsystem. Infrastructure. AWS. Scaling cloud hosting. Docker. It is used as an optional, simplifying application development management. Other tools, JWT, secures authorization. Git and GitHub, it is used for version control. Hardware requirements, server, quad Intel Xenon, 16 GB, expandable to 2 GB, 500 GB SSD, high speed, low latency internet. Client, Intel Core i5 or higher generation, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, 1080p display, Chrome, Firefox, Edge are the latest version are used. Optional devices, barcode scanners, label printers. Other, UPS for uninterpreted system uptime. Methodology, system architecture overview. Front end, React.js Tailwind CSS for a responsive UI tailored for a doctors, pharmacists, and admins. Backend Express.js RESTful API and core business logic. Real-time layer WebSocket service for instant prescription update and alerts. Data layer MongoDB ensures data integrity and compliances. Redis caching and sub messaging. Cloud deployment hosted on AWS for scalability, security, and availability. Technology choices and justifications. React.js plus Tailwind. It is a fast, modern, and user-friendly UI. WebSocket. Lightweight, scalable backend. WebSocket enables real-time communication. PostgreSDB. Reliable ACID complement storage. Redis. Fast caching and sub support. AWS. Secure, scalable cloud infrastructure.
Myself Kavana.G.K, and now let me explain you about the agile process and implementations. Agile methodology are the sprint-based due with frequent feedback loops. Requirement gatherings are collaboration with hospital staff. Key milestones are e-prescription module, real-time WebSocket integration, database and cache setup, secure authentication system, CI or CD with automated testing. Security testing and roadmaps. Security measures are TLS encryptions like data in transit and at rest. Role based access control audit logs for HIPAA or GDPR compliance. Testing strategies are unit and integration test via CI, load testing for eye traffic. Future directions are AI based prescriptions validations, integration with IoT dispensers, predictive analytics for inventory and demand. The expected outcomes of this project are enhanced patient safety, real-time prescription fulfillment, improved coordination and workflow, environmental and societal impact, scalable cloud-based architecture, compliance and security, financial and operating sustainability. References. References are nothing but the literature survey as one of my friend explained in the previous explanations. Thank you.
Thank you.